Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So by manage Google account, I mean add or remove a Google account. And to do that, we have to start with opening the settings. So let me enter them. And here, let's scroll down to find the accounts. Of course, here we've got Google section and you can manage the account using it, but I personally prefer to do it by using the account. So let me tap on it. As we can see, we do not have any previously added Google account, so we will start with this tutorial with adding a new one. So let's simply tap on Add Account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can tap on it and read it whenever you want, of course, and tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, our account will immediately appear on this list, which simply means that we just successfully added it to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will disappear. However, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will probably ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage the Google account in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.